Today's How page, I want to talk about how to attach a surround for a tub, a shower curtain rod to tile without drilling into it. I had this situation where I needed to convert a bathtub that had just been a tub. As you can tell, they had drywall up in the top here and into a shower. So bought an attachment that does that, and this is just adhesive. And then the way that this shower curtain was built, it was supposed to have two rods sticking out, and it went into the wall. It's for a freestanding, like a clawfoot tub. And so I simply adapted it I got these little washers that made sure the screws didn't pull through it. Used just these wood screws that came with it, or you could buy wood screws that match. Painted this to match the color of my caulk and grout, and attached my 1x4 with some Gorilla Glue adhesive that appears to be working just fine. It had tile listed as one of the materials that it could adhere to. And so you get a pretty sturdy one, and this kind of helps with that because it's what it came with already. The up there screwed into the ceiling with drywall screws or into the stud, and it prevents what will happen if you didn't have that is this kind of force that goes like this would end up breaking the adhesive and tearing it off. But because of the way it is, in order for it to fall, it has to pull down on the adhesive, which is a lot harder for it to do. So if you're looking to attach something to tile, you don't have a way to drill through the tile, or you're scared that you're going to crack the tile, which could totally happen, or you don't know what's behind there, you don't want to hit a water line, gluing a board, and then affixing whatever you're trying to attach to that board gets around the screwing into tile issue.